Did you know the first computer game to use 3D graphics was Wolfenstein 3D, released in 1992? The statement. The first computer game to use 3D graphics was Wolfenstein 3D, released in 1992 inches, refers to a significant milestone in the history of video games. Wolfenstein 3D, developed by ID Software and released in 1992, is credited as one of the pioneers in bringing 3D graphics to the gaming world. Let's explore the details of this fact. 1. Introduction of Wolfenstein. 3D, year of release, Wolfenstein. 3D was released in 1992. Developer. The game was developed by ID Software, a company known for its contributions to the first-person shooter genre. 2. Genre and gameplay. First-person shooter, FPS. Wolfenstein 3D is a first-person shooter, a genre that immerses players in the perspective of the in-game character. Gameplay. The player navigates through a series of maze-like levels, battling enemies and completing objectives. 3. Revolutionizing 3D graphics. Introduction of ray casting. Wolfenstein. 3D utilized a technique called ray casting to create the illusion of 3D environments. Pseudo-3D graphics. While not true 3D in a modern sense, the game's graphics were revolutionary at the time, offering a pseudo-3D experience. 4. Technical innovation. Real-time rendering. Wolfenstein 3D was one of the first games to achieve real-time rendering of 3D environments on home computers. Limited graphics. The 3D graphics were relatively simple by today's standards, but they represented a leap forward in gaming technology during the early 1990s. 5. Setting and theme. World War II. Theme. The game is set in a fictional Nazi stronghold during World War II, and players take on the role of a soldier trying to escape captivity. 6. Commercial success. Impact on the industry. Wolfenstein 3D was a commercial success and played a crucial role in popularizing the first-person shooter genre. Foundation for future titles. The game laid the foundation for later ID Software titles and other iconic FPS games. 7. Influence on later games. Doom and beyond. The success of Wolfenstein 3D paved the way for ID Software's next major release, Doom, which further pushed the boundaries of 3D graphics and gaming. Legacy. The game's impact extended beyond its release, influencing the design of subsequent first-person shooters and contributing to the evolution of the gaming industry. 8. Cultural significance. Gaming milestone. Wolfenstein 3D is considered a milestone in the history of gaming, marking a transition from 2D to 3D graphics in the first-person shooter genre. Nostalgia factor. The game holds a special place in the hearts of gamers as a nostalgic and groundbreaking experience. In summary, Wolfenstein 3D, released in 1992, played a pioneering role in introducing 3D graphics to computer gaming. Its use of ray casting technology set the stage for the evolution of 3D graphics in the gaming industry, influencing future titles and contributing to the success of the first-person shooter genre.
Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure, every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. BEX-ACT. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focused classes from 6 to 10, beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910 890311. Ring us up at +91 8910 600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.